Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. A bit brighter outside today, though still horribly muggy, with so much moisture left over from the rain. At this stage, we're only expecting brief passing showers for the remainder of the Easter long weekend, with generally mild southeast winds. Temperatures today, Bowen had 30 degrees, 29 for Mackay with humidity 77%. Claremont had 31, Moranbah and Collinsville both 30, and the Whitsundays 28. On the satellite loop now, ex-tropical cyclone Paul, which is now just a rain depression, has moved overland and it doesn't look like it has much future anymore. The Northern Territory Bureau has killed all the warnings for cyclone advices, etc. And all we've got to worry about now is the lines of cloud that are still moving across the tropical coast and producing rain, at least over the northern half of Queensland. It's pretty good at the moment in the southeast. And on today's chart, you can see the low, it's over across the Gulf Coast now, but the convergent bands between the northerly and the easterly winds are hammering together and still producing a fair bit of uplift. So that explains the rain, at least in the northern half of Queensland. In the southeast, that low has formed off the New South Wales coast and it's making the winds start to head around more to the south-southeast. On tomorrow's chart, that low deepens, and in fact, off southern waters, we are expecting winds by nightfall to get to possibly 25 knots well offshore, so winds certainly will increase. Meanwhile, the same situation occurring in the tropics, the convergent flow, continuation of rain. On the outlook chart now, this is getting into Sunday, Monday. Things start to clear up now in the tropics finally, but a reasonably big swell offshore in the southeast from these southerly winds. Now let's look at the forecasts from the Bureau. In coastal waters from Bowen to St Lawrence, we've got southeasterlies all day tomorrow, no more than 20 knots and no less than 15. That pattern should remain for the whole of the long weekend, Sunday, Monday included. Tomorrow's high tides in Mackay, around 1:37 p.m. for Hay Point, 1:34 for Shute Harbour, 1:27. Central Coast and Whitsundays, just isolated showers now. Rain in the far north though, and light to moderate southeast to easterly winds. Just isolated showers continuing for Sunday and Monday. And the central highlands and coalfields, an afternoon shower here or there, but if you're in the far north there will be a little bit of rain. South to southeasterly breeze, mostly fine for Monday. Tomorrow's temps, Bowen 29 degrees, Mackay 27 and mainly fine for most of the time. Claremont and Moranbah expecting 29 as well, also mostly fine. The outlook for Mackay, temperatures staying close to the April average of 27 degrees, with showers slowly diminishing with time. That's all from me, folks. Thanks again for all your questions and photos. I'll be back on Monday, but of course, you can visit us through the weekend at www.coastwatch.com.au for all the latest weather updates. Catch you next week. Have a fab Easter. Now it's over to Scott Hillier with the fishing report.
Yeah, thanks, Livio. Well, not looking real flash for wetting a line over the Easter break. Make sure you join me next Friday night. 7 local news. Have a great Easter.
Scotty, thanks very much. Have a wonderful long weekend. Good luck with the Easter Bunny, and we'll see you back on Monday night at 6. From the team, good night.